Struggling with a Kindle Fire HD that just won't charge? Learning how to fix the charging port on a Kindle Fire HD can be a lifesaver, especially when you're stuck with a drained battery and your favorite's calling. Whether it's due to wear and tear, accumulation of dust, or a loose connection, a malfunctioning charging port can be frustrating. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps needed to diagnose and possibly fix the issue, bringing your Kindle back to life. Step 1. Diagnose the problem. Before we dive into fixing your Kindle Fire HD, it's crucial to determine the exact cause. First, try using a different cable and adapter that you know are working with other devices. If your Kindle still doesn't charge, inspect the charging port for visible debris or bent pins. Use a flashlight for a thorough examination. Sometimes the problem can be as simple as dirt obstructing the connection. Step 2. Clean the charging port. If you see dust or lint in the charging port, it's time to clean it carefully. Turn off your Kindle Fire HD completely. Use a small, soft brush or an anti-static brush to gently remove any debris. Alternatively, you can use a can of compressed air at a slight angle to blow out any particles. Be cautious not to damage the port. After cleaning, try charging your device again. Step 3. Check for loose connection. If the port appears clean but your Kindle is still not charging, there might be a loose connection on the internal charging port. Gently wiggle the charger while it's in the port, making sure to not apply too much pressure, as that could cause further damage. If you notice any improvement, the connection could be loose. This step can help confirm if professional repair or more advanced DIY fixing is needed. Step 4. Attempt a DIY for advanced users. If you're handy with electronics and your Kindle is out of warranty, you might consider opening up the device to fix solder connections or replace the port. Begin by gathering the necessary tools: a plastic opening tool, a screwdriver set, and a soldering kit. Carefully open the back of the Kindle following an online guide video or manual. Locate the charging port and inspect the solder joints. If you spot any breaks, you can resolder the connections, but proceed with caution to avoid irreversible damage. Step 5. Seek professional help. Sometimes the issue can be beyond a simple DIY fix. If the problem persists, it's wise to consult a professional technician to have the port repaired or replaced. This ensures that your Kindle Fire HD remains in safe and skilled hands, preventing further damage and ensuring a proper fix. Now that you've learned how to fix the charging port on a Kindle Fire HD, you're equipped to tackle this common issue with ease. Whether it's a simple cleaning, checking for loose connections, or opting for a professional repair, these steps can help you enjoy uninterrupted reading sessions. Always remember to be cautious, and when in doubt, seek professional assistance to avoid any mishaps. Happy reading.